how to turn on or turn off upgrade connections to HTTPS on Brave browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to your Brave browser. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines right here, then go down and choose settings, as you can see. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is so simple again. Just go to the shelves option here, the fourth option, as you can see. Now click on it, and here you will find this upgrade connections to HTTPS. Now click here if you want to disable it, or click on it again to enable it. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Until the end, see you later.